Hello, my name is Marian Hönsch and I work at EnOcean GmbH. Today I would like to present to you our modules with the newly added NFC interface. We are talking about the new PTM device, the motion detector and the multisensor. All of these devices incorporate an NFC interface. Along with these devices, we introduce also apps for the PC and smartphone. For the smartphone, we introduce an app called Enocean Tool, which is available for free from the App Store on iOS and Android. Once you downloaded it on Apple, you can see this start screen. By hitting execute, the device will prompt you to scan an EnOcean capable NFC device. To do so, hold your smartphone with the upper edge to the device and you will see the result immediately. As first, you will see a summary of the device name and its ID, frequency and manufacturer. Next comes the NFC pin information and the information which NFC pin has unlocked this device. To change the device from current default to any other pin you want to use, you just click on the pencil. The app is structured in two user scenarios. One is setting and one is installation. Setting is done at your laboratory or off premises or even at the end premises where the application will be installed. Installation is done on the very end position of the device. Let's start with settings. Here you can configure different aspects of the device like the EEP. The EEP defines what kind of protocol the device will use to communicate. It supports different EEPs. Please select the one which is supported by your receiver. As next, you can configure the transmission behavior and energy consumption of the device. You can set different intervals of transmissions and even turn off the LED indicator to save more energy or to prevent disruption from the blinking. As a next feature comes the security communication. Here you can select if the telegrams are protected with additional security and what is the behavior of the learn button. A specific feature is the note where you can leave a specific message inside the device which should be a kind of instruction or a free text you like to choose. Once you are done with configurations, you select Apply Changes to write back the changes you just did. The smartphone will prompt you again to hold your device against the NFC device and you will get feedback if the execution was successfully. Once you have done something with the device and you want to go to the default state, you just click on Factory Reset and you can reset the motion detector to its original state. A specific needy feature is the clone settings feature. This is for the case where you want to copy all the settings to a next motion sensors. This is, for example, in the case you have one sensor and you want to copy the exact settings to 10 or 20 other sensors. Once you are done with settings, we can move to installation. In the installation mode, you can find specific functions you can trigger at the end position of the device. This is, for example, to start the learn telegram, to trigger the walk test, to determine the detection area of your motion detector, or the light condition test. The light condition test helps you to determine if the light conditions at the end position of the device are sufficient for an energy harvesting operation. This test was already executed by me before the screening and you can see here that the current positions are sufficient for an energy harvesting operation. You can see even the exact lux number which was detected by the sensor. If you ever get lost inside the EnOcean Tool, or you need help by configuring of any of those devices, you can find the help on the right top corner. I hope you like this small demonstration. If you have any comment or questions, please post us a line. Thank you very much for your attention.